Welcome to my channel. How do I set up the Nighthawk EX8000 X6S tri-band Wi-Fi mesh extender? To set up the Nighthawk EX8000 X6S tri-band Wi-Fi mesh extender, follow these steps. Place the extender in the same room as your router for the initial setup. Connect the extender to a power source and wait for the power LED to turn solid green. On your computer or mobile device, connect to the Netgear default Wi-Fi using the password provided in the manual. Open a web browser and enter mywifi.ext.net in the address bar. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your extender. You may be prompted to create a new admin password and select your time zone. After the setup is complete, you can move the extender to its desired location within the range of your existing Wi-Fi network. Use the Nighthawk app to manage and monitor your extender, including Wi-Fi settings, device list, network map, and more. For instant help, call 1-803-381-0141. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Wi-Fi setup tutorials.